Hey everyone, if you're trying to run VirtualBox but getting the error "can't operate in VMX root mode," please disable the kvm kernel extension, recompile your kernel, and reboot. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to resolve this issue on Linux, Ubuntu, Fedora, etc., and Windows. Let's dive in. This error occurs when VirtualBox can't access hardware virtualization because it's being used by another hypervisor, usually kvm. So the solution is to disable kvm. Let's first check if kvm is actually running on your system. This error happens mostly on Linux hosts. VirtualBox and kvm both use Intel VTX virtualization, but here's the thing, they can't both use it at the same time. So if kvm is active, VirtualBox can't enter VMX root mode and your VM won't start. So as you can see, kvm is running. Let us disable it. Just run this command to disable kvm. If you're using an AMD processor, replace kvm Intel with kvm AMD. It is now disabled. Let us try running a virtual machine. As you can see, the error is now gone. However, this is only a temporary fix. Once you reboot your machine, kvm will be enabled again. Now, if you want to permanently disable kvm, maybe you only use VirtualBox, here's how. Blacklist kvm on boot. Edit or create a blacklist file. Add this to the file and save it. Again, for AMD CPUs, blacklist kvm AMD instead of kvm Intel. Finally, update the initial RAM file system for your current Linux kernel and then reboot the machine. After rebooting, verify if kvm is running. If there is no output after running this command, then kvm is disabled. This stops kvm from loading every time you start your computer, and that's it. VirtualBox should now run without the VMX root mode error. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.